Hello everyone, welcome back to YLOC 4th grade math. So today we'll be doing lesson 7, analyzing and graphing data. Alright. Number 1, make a bar graph for each grade to compare the data for the two classes. Alright, let's create a bar graph. Alright. So for the two classes, so we'll need to create two. The first class is 3rd graders. And so yeah, for bar graph we need a label. And I can't really write well, so I'll just be telling you the labels and you guys can write it down on a piece of paper. Alright, so for the x-axis, the label will be, for 3rd graders, it will just be events. So the x-axis label will be the same for both 3rd grade and 5th grade, so it'll be called event. And the y-axis label for 3rd graders will be number of 3rd graders, and for 5th grader it will be number of 5th graders. And the title for the 3rd grade will be 3rd graders in each event, and for the 5th graders it will be 5th graders in each event. So those will be your labels. I won't be writing it physically, but yeah, hope you guys got that. And yeah, so let's make the bar graph now. So for 3rd graders, we have bobsledding, ski jump, and figure skating. So I'll just be using the first letters. So BSF, BSF. Alright, 3rd graders, there are 17 in bobsledding, ski jumping there's 14, figure skating there's 9. So I think a good way to split this up will be by splitting into 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Alright, B. So there's 17, so it'll probably go up to right here. S 14, so like right below the 15 mark, and F will be 9, so right below the 10 mark. Yeah. This will be 3rd grade. Now we'll be going to 5th grade. So 5th grade is 15, 16, 10. So yeah, we could use the same. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. So bobsledding there are 15, so exactly 15. S there are 16, and F there are 10. So yeah, this is how the two bar graphs will look like. So now let's go to number 2. Yeah. Make a double bar graph to compare the two classes. So then, let's make a double bar graph. So double bar graph is just the two classes combined. So it's just one big graph. Alright, so same label, events. And then the bottom label will be events, and the side label will be 3rd grades and 5th graders in each event, or number of 3rd grade and 5th graders. So let's draw it. Let's make this wider. So B, S, F. Alright, so 5, 10, 15, 20. So really just copy the bar graphs we drew on here. So for 3rd grade, we did 17. So this is 3rd grade, and then for 5th grade, it was 15. So we'll just draw one right here. Alright, 3rd grade, it was 14. So we'll do right here. And 5th grade, it was 15. 15 is like right here. No, was it 15? No, it was 16. So it'll be a little bit over 16 right there. And then for figure skating, 3rd grade was 9, I believe. So 9, and 5th grade was 10. And now we need to make a key indicating how the striped equals 3rd and regular equals 5th. So This is how a double bar graph will look like. We literally just combine the two bar graphs from each grade, and we combine it into one, and we just put it all plotted on one graph. And we need a key indicating which bar is which grade. So yeah. All right, number 3. Which graph method makes it easier to compare the data for the two classes? So I'll just say it, I won't write it. So yeah, so the easier method will be the double bar graph, because a double bar graph, first of all, we don't need to draw two separate graphs. It's just one graph. Another reason why is it's side by side, so we could get a clear comparison if we're trying to compare and contrast the data. And also, yeah, I think that's it. I mean, there might be more benefits, but those are the two main ones. So yeah. Alright, next we're doing line graphs. So let's look at this line graph, and let's look at number 1. Between which 2 hours did the mass of bacteria increase from 10 to 12? So mass of bacteria is in the y-axis, so let's look. So 10 is right here and 12 is right here. And we're trying to look between which 2 hours did it increase. So 10 and 12. And let's look. So it starts at 0, and then it goes to 12 at 2. So it'll be 0 to 2 hours. 2 and 0. It's 10. It's between 10 and 12. So yeah. Alright, number 2. What is the mass of bacteria on hour 5? So just go to hour 5 and go straight up, and we'll get 26 mg. Alright, next, word problems. Number 1, can you conclude that more first grade students like dogs and fish than do third grade students? Explain. Can we? Let's see. So first grade students, we have dog and fish. We have 16 in total. And third grade, we have 16 in total. So it'll be no. Come on, because there's a total of 16 students. I won't be writing on that, but I'll just say it. No, because there are a total of 16 students for first graders who like dog and fish and third graders who like dog and fish. So it'll be equal. Alright, number 2, create a conclusion that could be supported by the table above. So number 2, anything works. It's whatever you want it to be. So an example will be more third grade students like cats than first grade students. So like that. So yeah, for number 2, try coming up with your own example, but try combining stuff and making it more complex, not just the example that I used. But yeah, that's it for today, and see you guys next week.